On the screen, what is visible on the screen?
Concrete road, sir.
Concrete road.
Concrete road.
One second. One second. Okay. Good morning, everyone. Today we will start this new concept which is there to estimation in the road works. Okay, na? So slowly we will go. Just I will explain the problem first. Later we will do the calculation. Generally, in the concrete road, there will be one subgrade which is made up of some metal or material such as aggregate. Okay, na? Another thing may be concrete topping. Now, very important is that generally they give two thicknesses in some cases. They generally give two type of thicknesses. One is uncompacted, another is compacted. In the cross section, I am telling generally. Okay, so in the cross section, they generally give compacted thickness, but in the description, they will give both. That is uncompacted 20 and compacted. That one only compacted 15 centimeter they are going to give. Important point here is that during calculation of the material, you should take uncompacted. Not this compacted. Whatever specification they have given, no, which is uncompacted, you need to take that one. Okay, na? Now, next thing, in this type of problem, there may be material rates they are going to give and labor rates they are going to give for some items. I'm telling specifically for some items such as metal filling, gravel filling. There may be two cases. What is that two cases? One may be material quantity, another is labor rates for some items. For other items, including material and including labor, means what? Supply and laying, both they are going to give. Try to understand this point, very, very important now here. Okay, na? In some cases, they are going to give material rate separate, laying rate separate. If they are going to give material, then that item name will be supply of that material. The item name will be supply of that material. For the same item, the labor rates are given, then you should write laying and laying and consolidation, laying and spreading, laying and compacting. Like that, only labor rates will come. But the quantity to do the work for supply, for as well as laying, both quantities will be same. This point is clear for everyone? This point is clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Slowly we will read
Yes,
this.
sir.
Slowly we will read this problem. Okay, na? Don't worry about in the last class we have solved or not solved. There are some points I wanted to tell. Now, in the cross section, they have given one item, that is kunkel or metal or gravel, and its compacted thickness they have given. Okay, na? And its uncompacted thickness they have written it as 20 centimeter. Okay, na? How they are writing? Subgrade conker metal of 20 centimeter thick, compacted to 15 centimeter. Like that they are going to give. So for that you should take 20 centimeter as the quantity estimation. And second item is always cement concrete. There is no compacted, uncompacted. There should not be like that. The whatever cross section they are giving, no, that one only you can take. So try to understand. Uncompacted, compacted things will come for earth material, gravel material, stone material, like that those things will come. But for concrete generally, the thickness is only one type of thickness. Okay, now? Now, estimate the cost of constructing 1 kilometer road. That means 1000 meter length, L equal to 1000 of concrete of CC. Cement concrete 1:3:6, 5 meter wide. Here the concrete width is 5 meter, not the base, not the subgrade. Okay, na? 5 meter wide, and its concrete thickness itself is 15 centimeter. Concrete thickness is itself 15 centimeter. Now, if you see this abstract table, here conquer material, supply of that material, and conquer material, that laying of that material. Are you understanding? For this item, material supply rate is given separately and laying rate is given separately. But for concrete, only one, supply and laying, like that they have given. Now, just I wanted to make, so concur and laying, supply of material and laying, the items of quantity will remain same. Item of quantity will remain same. Okay, na? Now, standard table will be NLBD. Okay, because it's a geometrical figure, we have to take the dimensions. Length is given as 1 kilometer, so that is why 1000 meter. Now width in the cross section, you have to see 5 meter is for concrete, but there is some offset for gravel. That offset they have given it as 15 centimeter. So 5 meter plus 15 centimeter plus 15 centimeter. So it will become 5.3 meters, 5.3. Now for the quantity, I have just told that you should take uncompacted. So uncompacted is 20 centimeter. So that is why I have written it as 0.2. So again, multiplying these three things, you will get the quantity of concur subgrade material. Now that item will remain same for the quantity, but not for the rate. Now cement concrete quantity, now width is 5, that is capital B is 5, and its thickness is given as 15 centimeter. Whether it is given in cross section or whether it is given in the description, you have to check. That is very important observation. This problem is very simple, but to understand the concept, it is very good. Okay, no? So here only in the description, they have given 15 centimeter. So that is why I am taking 0.15 meter. The length will not change. 1000 into 5 into 0.15. So that is what it is coming out to be 750 cubic meter. As per the problem, the rates for supply of material is 350, but for laying and consolidation of that same material, labor charge is 30 rupees. Okay, but the quantity is not changing. The quantity which you have calculated is not changing. Okay, na? So quantity into rate, you will get the amount. But for concrete, only one thing, the quantity and its rate. So here, this rate 2000 rupees includes material of concrete plus labor rate. Both it is including. It depends upon the how the question paper will come. Okay, now if they are giving separate rate, then that is good. Okay, if they are giving combined rate, that is also good. My point is that you should not get confused. So multiplication, that is very common. You can do it easily. So all the three amounts you have to add, you will get 19 lakhs something. So plus 3% for contingency, plus 2% for water charge of this amount. Again you add, you will get the total cost of supply and constructing of the concrete road of 1 kilometer length. Whether this problem is clear for everyone, you have to give me the response full. You have to
Yes,
give me
sir.
the response.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Yes,
All-
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Okay, na? Yes, sir. Any
sir,
doubt, sir?
contingencies and work charge establishments ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ ಸರ್?
ಅಂದ್ರ ಕಂಟಿಂಜೆನ್ಸೀಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಡನ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಳಿ ಬಂತಪ್ಪ, ನಿನ್ ಕಡೆ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ದೊಳಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗೈತಿ, ನಾ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ರೊಕ್ಕ ಕೊಡಕತ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಏನ್ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಏನಾರ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಹಾಕಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರ ಅದನ್ನ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಂಟಿಂಜೆನ್ಸಿ. ಈಗ ಫ್ಲೈಟ್ ಡಿಲೇ ಆತ್ಪ, ಅವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಕಂಟಿಂಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಐತಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಗಾಡಿ ಕೊಡುದು. ಓಕೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಂಟಿಂಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಅಂತ. ನಾ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ರೀಸನ್, ಬರೀ ಮಳಿ ಬಂತಂತ ಹೇಳತ್ತೇನೆ. ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದೇರ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೈ ಇಫ್ ಎನಿ problem was there, so that is why 3% extra amount. What is this work charge establishment ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ವರ್ಕ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಎಸ್ಟಾಬ್ಲಿಷ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಸೈಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಬೇಕಾ, ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಲೇಬರ್ ಕುಂದ್ರಾಕ್ ಇದು ಬೇಕಾ, ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಕ್ಯಾಂಟೀನ್ ಬೇಕಾ, ಈ ತರ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ we are going for some establishments like some small office, some small room, some small canteen, like that. If they are providing some facilities only related to that work, only which is important for that work, so those things are called as work charged establishment. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ವರ್ಕಿಗೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಅದೊಂದು 2% ಜನರಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ. Now is it clear?
Yes, sir.
ಹಾ, ಇದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಇದು ಏನದಲ್ಲ 3% ಮತ್ತು 2% ಜನರಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಡಿಟೇಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ರೇಟ್ ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯೂಲ್ದಾಗ ಕಲಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ?
Okay, sir.
ಓಕೆ, ಗುಡ್ ಗುಡ್, ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ. Okay, next diagram nodri, very small, but here you try to understand. We will not go into the detail first. See here how that problem is given. This is the calculation part, don't worry. This is the theoretical part which you need to understand, from the cross section. First, what is the estimate the cost of all the items, that is okay. Width is 4 meter, that is also okay, and length is 1 kilometer, that is also okay. Now cement is 4 meter, but there should be some additional subgrade width, whether they have given in cross section. No, we have to check it in theory part. Now we will see one by one. Okay na? Okay, one by one we will go into see. Now what is the first item? What they have given, CC 1:4:8 using 40 mm aggregate with granite filling for depression filling and leveling on the existing asphalt road. Okay na? So what is this? This is the between this item. So that is why they have given CC 1:4:8. CC 1:4:8 they have given. Width is, you have to take it from the cross section. But whether they have given depth, indirectly they have given. How? 0.25 cubic meter for 1000 square meter. To convert into depth, you have to just divide it. 0.25 divided by 100. So that will be your D. For this item. What is that item? The central item. So to calculate this, you have length, you have width, and you have depth in terms of this. So this will not be a big problem. That is the middle item. Okay na? Here thickness you have calculated and you have given to give the rate. Top item, what they have given, CC 124. Whether that CC 124 is given? Yes, CC 124 is given, and 15 centimeter thickness is also given. So there is no need to do that one. What are the materials used here? 12.5 mm size. Using 12.5 mm size, 25 mm, 40 mm size aggregates. They are going to give aggregates of this size. This is not the size of that thickness. These are the size of the materials used in that one. Okay na? Okay, so like that they have given for wearing coat of 2900 per cubic meter. So for this item, length is given, width is given, depth is also given from the cross section, and also rate is also given. Now, and you should also calculate the expansion joint and longitudinal joint, transverse joint. In the pavement design subject, you have already know what are longitudinal joint. If this is a plan, let me draw, this is a plan. Whatever the joint is coming, no, for full 1 kilometer length. So this central joint which is running full, so that is called as longitudinal joint. For every 10 meter they have given, no, for every 10 meter take transverse joint at every 10 meter. Means what? At 10 meter there is one joint, another 10 meter there is another transverse joint, another 10 meter there is another transverse joint. So how many will come? Total length, that is 1000 meter, and spacing, that is 10 meter. 1000 divided by 10 will give the number of joints, okay, into one joint length, that is width of the road itself. So like that you have to calculate. Now important in this case is they have not asked us to calculate any subgrade here, because they have not given any details. So forget about those things. Is that okay? The question, how to read the question? Everyone, please give the response.
Yes, sir.
Every person.
Yes, sir.
Every person.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good.
Sir.
Now, as usual, in a tabular form, try to understand that there is no separate rate for material and there is no separate rate for labor. Why? In the question itself, they have given the total rate for including material and including labor. Okay na? So There is no supply, there is no nothing like that. Okay. So here how many material will come? CC1 is to 4 is to 8, that central item. CC1 is to 2 is to 4, that top item. These are the joints. One is longitudinal, another is transverse joint. Another is transverse joint. Now, one second. One second. Okay. Whether it is clear? Yes, okay, it is clear. Now see this one. What is the first item? What is the first item? CC1 is to 4 is to 8. What is the length, width, thickness there? Can you see? Length, width, thickness. Length is 1000, width is 4. Okay, na? How to calculate the depth for this one? 0.2 divided by 100. 0.2 divided by 100. This is the thickness for the middle item. Okay, na? So multiplying this, you will get 10 cubic meter. You will get 10 cubic meter. For the second item, which is there on the top, length is 1000, width is 400, thickness is also given as 50. So it is nothing but 0.15. So it is nothing but 0.15 thickness, 4 meter, 1000 meter. Okay. Multiplying these three things, you will get 600 cubic meter. Now, in the joints, two joints, just now told, no, full length. Okay, one continuous. What should be this length? Longitudinal joint length. It is full length of the road. So that is why it is 1000 meter. What is that? Longitudinal joint, 1 in number, but it is in full 1000 meter. Full 1000 meter, which is there. Now, what about transverse joint like this? How many it will come? So how many it will come? Total length divided by spacing. Total length divided by spacing is how much? 1000 divided by 10 is the spacing. Divided by 10 is the spacing. So that is what they have written like this. 1000 divided by 10 minus 1, because at end that formula is there like that only. You have to deduct minus 1. You have to deduct minus 1. Okay, na? So how many joints will come? 99 transverse joint will come. 99 transverse joint will come. Each joint is how much length? Transverse joint. It is equal to width of the road. It is equal to width of the road. So what is the width of the road? 4 meter. So that is why we have written 4 meter. One joint 4 meter, 99 joints 396 meters. So these joints generally calculated in terms of meters. So when you add these two, you will get this quantity. You will get this quantity. Is there three items are clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
All the three items are clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So, three items. 10 cubic meter multiplied by 800, 1800, 1600 cubic meter multiplied by 2900. Okay, na? What is the unit? They have given 15 rupees per running meter for joint. So how many joints running meter? 1396. So that one, they have written it in the table form. They have written it in the table form. Okay, for everyone, this table like that they have given. Quantity already obtained. Okay, na? Quantity multiply by the rates. Multiply by the rates, they will give the amounts. Respective amount. Okay, na? Respective amounts. And total amount, when you add the last two things, you should not forget, that is contingency and 2% establishment charges. So 3% of this, again 2% of this. So all the three you add, you'll get what? 18,67,000 for 1 kilometer road. For 1 kilometer road. Is this problem clear for everyone? Everyone should give me answers. Yes or no? Both.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Third problem, if you see the geometric cross section, it is somewhat different. It is somewhat different. If you see this one, you'll understand. Okay, na? Like this, it is there. Okay. First, read the problem. Next, we will go for calculation. Okay, na? 1 kilometer length road. Prepare and estimation of 1 kilometer length of CC road trench. I don't know what type of structure. Just to try to understand, it is a CC road trench with 80 centimeter track. That means this track width is 80 centimeter. They have also marked on the cross section. And with 1.7 center to center, 1.7 center to center means what? From here to here it is 1.7. These two are tracks, small tracks in the somewhere road. Okay, so their center to center is 1.7 and each track is 80 centimeter wide. Later on we will convert it into meters. That is what okay, na? over 18 centimeter rammed gravel. That means beneath the concrete there is some subgrade. That subgrade or subbase, whatever that is, it is made up of gravel, hard gravel, and it is writing it as 18 centimeter rammed. Rammed means it is compacted. Try to understand. It is compacted. Okay, na? For the following items. This is about the first half of the problem. Now read for full data. Read for full data. How to read full data? See here. Providing and laying hard gravel. That means this bottom item. This bottom item loosely packed below the CC track. That means below this CC track there is a gravel with 1/3 height extra. That means uncompacted is this height plus 1/3 of this height. That means 1.3 times this height. I hope now you have understood. For allowance for compaction. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನರ್ಥ, ಕಾಂಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ 18 ಅಷ್ಟ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ, 18 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1/3 ಆಫ್ 18 ಹಾಕಿ ಕಾಂಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಮಾಡಿ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅದು 18 ಬರ್ಬೇಕು. कॉम्पैक्ट करने से पहले 18 सेंटीमीटर प्लस 1/3 ऑफ 18 सेंटीमीटर रहना है. कॉम्पैक्ट होने के बाद सिर्फ 18 आना है. उसका वो मतलब है. आर यू गेटिंग दिस पॉइंट? यस सर.
Sir.
Okay. Now you here only you can understand here. Providing and laying of gravel, consolidation of gravel. That means the quantity will be same only for these two things. Quantities will be same only. This is only providing and laying. वो लेके आके डालने के लिए. Consolidation क्या है? ये compaction जो करते हैं ना, what we are compacting, no, that is rate, but quantities will remain same. Quantities will remain same. Try to understand. Third is laying of CC. This one and 2cc. 2cc using granite jelly 20 mm and downsize of rate 2500. That means including supply and including labor rate. Both rates they have given. So how many items will come in the table? 3 items. One is the supply of material, another is laying of the consolidation of that material, third will be your concrete. Okay, this problem is clear. Try to question is clear for everyone. Question is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
We will see the tabular column. Now, what is the thickness they have taken? Just now told, no, this item 18 plus 1/3 of 18. Correct? 18 plus 1/3 of 18. Try to understand this point. So how much it is coming? 24 centimeter. 24 centimeter. So how many numbers are there? Try to understand. 1.1 meter, 110 centimeter means 1.1 only. 1.1, 1.1. Correct? How many 1.1 are there? 2 of 1.1. Correct? 2 of 1.1. Now, what is the length of the road? The length of the road is 1 kilometer. That is what we have written, 1000. Okay, na? Thickness calculated 18 plus 1/3 of 18, that is 0.24. So we have completed this and this. So 2 items of 1.1, thickness of 18 plus 1/3 of 18, length is equal to 1000. Is that okay? Now coming to this, what is the thickness they have given in the cross section? 15 centimeter. But this is how much length? How much before compaction? Extra 1/3 should be added, no? So that is why for that item 15 plus 1/3 of 15. Is that okay for everyone? For the in between item 15 plus 1/3 of 15, that is 20 centimeter. So that is 0.2. Okay, na? What is the width they have given like this? Like this you need to calculate. How to calculate? 1.7 minus 0.4, because it is 80, means 0.8, so half of that one, 0.4. Here also minus 0.4. So 1.7, this 1.7 minus this 0.4 minus this 0.4. So I have to do minus 0.8, minus 0.8. 1.7 minus 0.8, it is nothing but 0.9. So this width is 0.9. This height is how much? This height is 20. Correct? 0.9, 20. Length is remaining same. How many number of items are there? Only one. Only one. So multiplying these three things, we will get what? 180. Now that material is same, gravel. This is also gravel. This is also gravel. So add these two. Add these two. You will get 708. You will get 708. Understand this point. This is supply part. This is consolidation part. For consolidation also, quantity will remain same. Quantity will remain same. Only there will be change in the rates. What is that rate? For supply 1100, for consolidation 25. Is that okay? Second item for everyone. Second item for everyone.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good,
Yes,
very
sir.
good, very good,
Yes,
very good.
yes.
Third item, concrete. Concrete. How many numbers are there? 2 numbers. What is the total length? 1000 meter. It is given in the question. What is the width of each? 0.8. Width of 0.8. What is the depth? It is 0.15. So multiplying these three, these four, so 2000, 0.8, 1 point. How much it is coming? 240. So for that 240, what is the rate? 2500 is the rate. So that is what they have calculated like this. Okay, na? 708 supply of gravel, 708 for consolidation of gravel, 240 supply and laying. Supply and laying. So three rates they have given. So you can easily do the multiplication. You can do the multiplication plus some contingencies. So you will get a total amount as 14 lakh 66,000. 14 lakh 60. Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir.
ಸರ್ ಅದು ಕಂಟಿಂಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್
ಹಾ.
ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅದು
Yes.
ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ 5% ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಡೆಯಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಏನ್ ಸರ್
ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ ಬಟ್ ಥೆರಾಟಿಕಲಿ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ಲಿ. ಏನಂತ ಬರಿತೀರಿ? 3% ಕಂಟೆಂಜೆನ್ಸೀಸ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕು, 2% ಓವರ್ ಹೆಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಎಸ್ಟಾಬ್ಲಿಷ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಅದು 5% ಅಂತ ಬರೆದು ನೀವು ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾ? ಕಂಟೆಂಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಎಸ್ಟಾಬ್ಲಿಷ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎರಡು ಸೇರಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಅವಾಗ. ಹಂಗ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು.
ಬರ್ದ್ರ
ಬ್ಯಾಡಪ್ಪ, ಯಾಕೆ ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ತಗೊಂತೀವಿ? ಒಂದೊಂದು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟಿಯುಪ್ಪ ಮೊದ್ಲ ಅದ. ಈಗ ಹೆಂಗ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಹೆಂಗೈತಿ ಹಂಗ್ ಬರೆಯೋಣಂತ, ಯಾಕೆ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ತಗೊಂತಿ? ಏನ್ ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿನ್ ಪೆನ್ನಿನ ಇಂಕ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹೋಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ? ಏನೋ ಹೋಗ್ತೈತೇನೋ ಒಂದ್ 5 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ.
ಏನ್ ಸರ್?
सर
हाँ यस सर, बोलो सर.
सर उसमें 10% कॉन्ट्रैक्टर प्रॉफिट नहीं डालते क्या?
वो रेट एनालिसिस में आता है. वो जो 10% प्रॉफिट है ना, वो इसमें ऐड होके आए रहते हैं. वो ये जो रेट्स है ना, ये रेट्स है ऑलरेडी, इट इज कोटेड बाय कॉन्ट्रैक्टर और ऑलरेडी गिवन फ्रॉम द क्लाइंट. सो दीज रेट्स विल include water charge, contractor profit also. These rates generally, I am telling generally. That's what I am telling. During rate analysis chapter, you will detail understand. Okay, very good, very good. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. लोग मुझे डाउट पूछ रहे हैं ऑनलाइन क्लास में, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. और 2-3 लोग डाउट्स पूछो ना यार, मुझे भी अच्छा लग रहा है. प्लीज प्लीज प्लीज. और कोई?
सर यश को पूछो सर. यश को.
यश देवगे करा है क्या?
हाँ सर.
शूटिंग खत्म हुआ क्या? यश KGF 3 कर रहा है क्या 4 कर रहा है? यश देवगेकर गोविंदा होदा.
सर KGF ने सर सैराट पार्ट 2 कर रहे सर.
हाँ क्या हो गया? ओके 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 ओके. हाँ, this problem we are going to do. One second. Okay, this is the problem or solution for this. Okay, na? Is it clear for everyone? Is it more clear now?
Yes sir.
Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. Very good, very good, very good, very good, very good, very good, very good. See, in the problem, generally, whatever the textbook problems will come, no, they are half data. वो पूरा नहीं देता, थोड़ा थोड़ा देता है और कैलकुलेशन में अज्यूम करके निकलता है. मगर मेन एग्जाम में ऐसा नहीं रहता क्योंकि दे हैव टू गिव फुल डाटा, अदर दे हैव टू गिव फुल मार्क्स. Correct or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
They
sir.
have to give full data or they have to give full marks. जैसे अगर दोनों नहीं दिया तो स्टूडेंट्स गुस्सा हो जाएंगे. ओके ना? तो उसके हिसाब से हम लोगों को देख के सॉल्व करना है. इस प्रॉब्लम को ध्यान से देखिए. इस प्रॉब्लम को लक्ष्य ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ ಇದ್ರಾಗ? ಎಷ್ಟು ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ? ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಓದ್ರಿ, ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಕಾಣತ್ತಾವ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ನೀವು. ಹೇಳ್ರು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಏನ್ ಹಂಗ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಕತ್ತೀರಿ? ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಏನ್ ಚಾಳಿ ಟೂ ಬಿಟ್ರೇನು?
ಸರ್ ಒಂದು 3 ಐಟಮ್ ಅದಾವ ಸರ್.
ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ್ದಾವ?
ಸರ್ ಅದು ರೋಡ್ ಸರ್, ದೆನ್ ದಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಮೊರಮ್, ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಮೊರಮ್,
ಹಾ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
ಅಂಡ್ ದಟ್ ಕಾಂಕ್ರೀಟ್.
Concrete. Very good. Very good. 3 items, or you can say 4 items. What are the 4 items? One is this total road का earthwork और excavation. हम जो formula से करते थे ना क्या, BD plus SD square into L, that is also included in this problem. Okay na? Like that you have to understand. If they give, well and good. If they don't give, you have to assume and do the calculation. You have to do assume the calculation. Now अर्थवर्क, टोटल अर्थवर्क का भी कैलकुलेशन करना है, तो उसके लिए आपको साइड स्लोप भी देना है. यस और नो? ಹೌದಾ? ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೈತಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರಪ್ಪ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ದಾಗ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥವರ್ಕ್ ಐತಿ, ನೀವು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕ. ಇದು ರೋಡ್ ಕಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್, ರೋಡ್ ಎಂಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಗತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕಾಣಕತ್ತೈತಿ. ಸೈಡ್ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಾರ ಅವ್ರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಒಳಗ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಅರ್ಥವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲೇಬೇಕು. ಸೈಡ್ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಅರ್ಥವರ್ಕ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಐತಿ? और किस चीज के लिए साइड स्लोप यूज होता है प्रॉब्लम में? आप कोई बता सकता है? कोई बता सकता है? श्री नारायण, आर यू देयर?
ಸರ್ ದೇರ್ ಸರ್.
हाँ देयर ना. ओके. ಎದಕ್ ಬೇರೆ ಎದಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಗೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲದಲ್ಲ ಅದು?
ಸರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ರಿ.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಅಬ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ರೋಡ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ or present?
I was sir, I watched the recorded videos.
Okay, okay. In some of the problems or in almost all problems, they are going to give B, D, S, L. Correct na? We generally do 4 tabular columns. Correct na? One is RL of ground, RL of formation. By minusing these two, you will get D, and you know B from the cross section, and you know side slope yes, and you know length. So BD plus SD square will give cross-sectional area into that chainage length will give the quantity of that section. ಇಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನೆನಪೈತಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹಿಂದಿಂದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದ?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನೆನಪೈತೇನಪ್ಪ? ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ?
Yes, sir.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲಕ್ಷ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಸ್ಲೋ ಆಗಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಅ ಬಿಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟೀಸ್. ಮತ್ತೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, ಬೇರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಗೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ 1 kilometer ಲೆಂತ್, ಓಕೆ, 1000 meter ಆಫ್ ಅ ಕ್ರೀಟ್ ವೇ. ಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿದೆ? ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಕ್ರೀಟ್, ಕಾಂಕ್ರೀಟ್? ಕಾಂಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಹಂಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚಂದ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ನೋಡಿ, ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಐ ಕಮ್ ಯು ಗೋ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, ಹಂಗೆ ಕ್ರೀಟ್ ವೇ ಗಿವನ್ ಇನ್ ಫಿಗರ್ 2.3. ಇದನ್ನ ಬಹಳ ಚಂದ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. ಓಕೆ. ದ ಅವರೇಜ್ ಡೆಪ್ತ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಂಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್? 0.6. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ d is equal to 0.6. Remember, side slope 2:1. They have not mentioned it is an embankment or it is an cutting. They are telling it is an this one earthwork. So S is equal to 2, and also prepare the abstract of cost of other things. So excavation is one thing, total earthwork. Second is morum filling. Morum filling, see how many parts they have given. How many parts they have given? First part. Okay. Second part. First I am trying to do the horizontal. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. 5 horizontal and 4 verticals. This vertical portion. Okay, one second, I will remove this one. Okay. This vertical portion, this vertical portion, this vertical portion, this vertical portion. 4 vertical portion of morum, 5 vertical portion of, 5 horizontal portion of morum. Okay, na? So like that you should understand. Here width they have given 0.8, height I think they have not given. They have not given. We will assume something 10 centimeters, 15, because it is a question given in the textbook, half data. Okay, try to understand something. We have to assume and do it. Okay, na? So this thickness is 0.1. This thickness is 0.1, and this thickness is also 0.1. This thickness is also 0.1. Okay, for everyone. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, some data is there, some data is not there. Okay, na? First, see this one. Earthwork we are going to do. Earthwork we are going to do. From the question, we already know that it is 0.6. Okay, na? And yes is side slope is 2. How to get B? How to get B? See here. You have to add this total. Can you draw this one? From here to here, you add plus into 2. Into 2 you have to do. 1.5 plus 0.3, okay na? Plus 0.3 plus 0.8 plus half of this. How much?
$3.1.
3.1. Huh?
1.
Okay, one second. See that fellow from
6.2, sir.
correct. One second. I'm just having a doubt that it is 0.6. They have used it in the calculation. See, ಎಷ್ಟು problem ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ, ನಮ್ ಕಿರಿಕಿರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡೋರು. ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ದಾಗ ಒಂದ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರ.
ಸರ್ ಅದು ಒಳಗಿಂದ ಒಳಗ್ 0.6 ಐತಿ ಸರ್.
ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳಕತ್ತೆ ನಾನು. ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡೇ ನಾನು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಈ ಕಡೆ ಅದು 0.8 ಹೊರಗಿಂದ ಹೊರಗಿತ್ತು ಸರ್.
ಯಾವ್ದು ಹೊರಗೆ? ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್.
Okay.
So here if you enlarge that one, 0.8 is out to out, this minus 0.1, this minus 0.1. So inside how much it will come?
2.9 sir.
Inside this portion.
0.6.
Very good. So
0.6.
correct. So ಅವರು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. ನಾವು ನೋಡೋದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗಡಬಡ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಅರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎನ್ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಈಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಒಂದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್, ಇದನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಇದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಈಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 1.5 plus 0.3 inside is 0.6 plus half. How much? 0.5. What is that distance?
2.9.
2.9 2 times here also this.
ಸರ್ ಅದು 1 ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕೇನ್ 0.8 ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ?
ಯಾವ್ದು
ಮಿಡಲ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಸರ್. ಮಿಡಲ್
1 ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಲೆಂತ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು ಈ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಹಾಫ್ ತನಕ ಬೇಕ, ಅಥವಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು ಫುಲ್ ತನಕನೂ ಬೇಕು. ಅವಾಗ ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು ಅವಾಗ.
ಸರ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ 5.8.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಐತ್ ಬಿಡ, 5.8 ಐತ್ ಬಿಡ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅದ. ಈ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೇಳತ್ತೇನ ನಾ. ಇದು 1.5 plus 0.3 plus 0.6 ಇದು ಅರ್ಧ. 0.5 into 2.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
Into 2. So ardha is equal to 2.9, full is equal to
5.8.
Full is equal to 5.8. So we got all the things which are required in the formula. B is equal to 5.8, D is given in the section 0.6, S is given, L is also given. So substitute in the formula, you will get the earthwork 4,200. 4,200. Is that okay?
Yes sir.
Okay. Now I will come to morum. Part by part we are going to do. Just I will explain. First we are going to take these morum quantities 1 and 2. 1 and 2. What is the number? 2 numbers. What is the length of that morum? 1000, because it is a length. What is the width? They have given in the cross section? 0.8, that is directly given. Okay, na? And what is the height or thickness? They have not given. Assume it as
0.1.
10 centimeter. So this much is the bottom side morum. Bottom side morum. How much it is coming?
160, sir.
160. Very good. So that is what? Undercrete morum 160. Now this we are going to take this in between this one we are going to take. Number is equal to 1, length is equal to 1000. Okay na? Width is equal to how much? 1 meter, and thickness is also 0.1. So how much cubic meter width will come?
100.
100. So they have given 100. Okay na? So next, this 1 and 2. I will make it more clear now. Which morum we are going to do? What we have completed? This bottom we have completed all the 2, and central only 1 was there, that we have completed. Now this and this we are going to do. This and this. So how many numbers? 2 numbers. Length is 1000. Okay na? Width of single piece is equal to 0.3, and thickness is again 0.1. How much?
60.
60. That is what?
60.
That is called as 60. Now, these vertical pieces are there, no? Vertical. Must be a difficulty in exam, they will not give. Big cross section, all the items they are going to give. 1 cross section, second, third, 4. 4 vertical. Okay, na? What is the length? 1000. Okay, na? What is the width? So we have to assume 0.1. What is the thickness? That is also 0.1. How much it is coming?
40.
40.
Yes, these are the 40. So this is about morum supply. Okay, na? So this is after compaction. So before compaction, in the problem, they directly considered extra 30%. I hope it is now clear. They have considered extra 30% for compaction purpose. Okay. After compaction, the thicknesses are like this, but before compaction, additional 30%. So 360 30% to 108 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಮತ್ತೇನಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಇದನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಂದ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? 360 plus 108, 468. We got the answer 468. 468. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, what is this laying and compaction? Laying and compaction, they have taken it in square meter. They could have done it in what is that, in cubic meter. If they have done it in cubic meter, the quantities will be same. I hope you are understanding my point, because this is same and this is same. This is material part, this is labor part. If we are considering the same units, then it will be 468 only for compaction. Okay, but those people are somewhat intelligent, no? They have considered in square meter. So that means this depth they have not taken, simply length into width they have taken. Simply length into width. So which length which they have taken? This central 0.3 and this 0.6 plus 1 they have directly taken. Is that okay? This total, this portion, which what are they have taken? I will just tell. 0.3 plus 0.6 plus 1, again 0.6 plus 0.3. So these many items they have taken for compaction. So how much it is coming? In width wise compaction? 2.8. That's all.
2.8.
2.8 into its length. Its length into 2.8, that much square meter for consolidation. For consolidation. That means not material, maybe labor or maybe equipment. Now very important, concrete. What is that concrete? How many numbers are there? 1 and 2. What is the length? 1000 meter length. What is the width? 0.6. What is the thickness they have given? In the description,
20 centimeter point.
20 centimeter point. This is the quantity of concrete. How much it is coming?
240.
240. So answer is 240. All the item material or quantity we have prepared. If they have given rates, simply multiply with the rates. Quantity and rates. Quantity and rates. Okay, so the problem is completed now. Anything for everyone? It is clear.
Yes, sir.
For everyone, it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good, very good. Now, this problem, it is not given a cross section. They have not given the cross section. They have just given the details like that one only. So we are going to take it later. We are going to take it later. So without cross section, it is very difficult to assume and do the calculation. We'll do it some other time. We will move on. We will move on to metal roads. Metal roads under concrete road or dambar road appa?
Dumber.
Dambar or ಏನಂತಾರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ tar roads. These are called as tar roads. Okay. Always, 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 always. 1 second. I will make it enlarge. Okay. 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 ಈಗ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಮೆಟಲ್ ರೋಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಏನಂತಾರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಟಾಪ್ ಡಾಂಬರ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಓಕೆ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ first coat of painting with road tar, second coat painting with asphalt. Both are same only. Asphalt material different, but it is the tar road only. Asphalt road, tar. ಎರಡು ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಇದಾವೆ. These are called as surface. These are called as surface. ತೆಳಗಡೆ 3 ಲೇಯರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ಹೌದಾ 3 ಲೇಯರ್ ಕಾಣತಾವ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ್ದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ ತೆಳಗಿಲ್ಲಿ ವೈಟ್ ಡಾಟೆಡ್ ಪ್ಯಾಚ್ ಐತಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಒಂದು ನಡಕ್ ಫುಲ್ ಡಾರ್ಕ್ ಐತಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಒಂದು ಎಲ್ಲಕ್ಕಿಂತ ತೆಳಗ ದೊಡ್ಡ 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 ನಾಗರ ಪಂಚಮಿ ಉಂಡಿ ಇಟ್ಟಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಹೌದಾ ಹೌದೇನ್ರಿ ಸಂದೇಶ
Yes, sir.
ನಾಗರ ಪಂಚಮಿ ಉಂಡಿಗತೆ ಕಾಣತಾವ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಆಸ್ ಯೂಶುವಲ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರ 2 ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಥಿಕ್ನೆಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಕಾಂಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಅರ್ತ್ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಅನ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಸ್ಟೋನ್ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಅನ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಗ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಅನ್ಬೋದು ಇದನ್ನ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಒಂದು ಕಾಂಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆದ ಥಿಕ್ನೆಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಕಾಂಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಥಿಕ್ನೆಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಈಸ್ ದಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಲೇಯರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟು 8 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಸೋಲಿಂಗ್ ಕೋಟ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ ಇವಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಸೋಲಿಂಗ್ ಕೋಟ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಸಬ್ ಗ್ರೇಡ್ ಅವ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಇವು ನೀವು ನೋಡಿರಲ್ಲ ಸಬ್ ಗ್ರೇಡ್ ಎದ್ರಲಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರಪ್ಪ ಬಿಗ್ ಬೌಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಸಬ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಎದ್ರಲಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ರಾಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ ಆಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಸ್ಟೋನ್ ಬಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ರಾಕ್ ಬಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಬಾಟಮ್ ಥಿಕ್ನೆಸ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ before compaction it is 15 centimeter but after compaction it is 8 centimeter. So that is why in the calculation you should take 15 centimeter for calculation of earth. Central portion that is made up of what? 50 mm stone ballast. 50 mm stone ballast. This is not a size of that item. This is a size of material used there. But actual thickness is 20 centimeter in loose condition, compacted to 8 centimeter. Yes or no? Everyone, it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good, very good, very good, very good. So during the calculation, this item you need to take 0.15. This item you should take 0.12. Okay, na? And what is this last item? 40 mm gauge stone ballast. They have directly given 12 centimeter loose. 12 centimeter loose. Okay, na? So that one only you should take now. Now see the width-wise items. So here central that asphalting is 3.7 plus 0.15 plus 0.15. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So asphalting calculation you should take 3.7. But that bottom layer is there, no? This one soling layer. Okay, so that you should take plus 0.15 plus 0.15 to this 3.7. So that is bottommost item. Inter items, all the things you have to take width equal to 3.7 only, because it is given, it is like that only, it is given. Okay na? So like that only it is given. See, two important things that I cleared. Now total earthwork quantity that has to be calculated, yes or no? Total earthwork also has to be calculated, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So for that you need to take formation width of 10 meter, and depth, they how much they have given, whether you have to see, we will see there. Okay na? We will see one by one. Okay, we have to see. And they have given side slope also. S is equal to 2:1. That means S is equal to 2. That is one thing. In this problem, while solving, they also calculated this gardening, small trees ಹಾಕ್ತಾರದಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Yes or no? ನೀವು ರೋಡ್ದಾಗ ಹೊಂಟ್ರ ಸೈಡಿಗೆ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರಪ್ಪ ಜನರಲಿ? ಏನ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಲ್ಲ?
ಗಿಡ ಸರ್.
ಹಾ, ಈಗ ಗುಟ್ಕಾ ತಿಂದು ಗುಳಾಕ ಗಿಡ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರದಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ ರಂಗನಾಥ? ಅಡಿಕೆ ಚೀಟು, ಗುಟ್ಕಾ ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ತಂದು ಇದು ಏರಿಯಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಇದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿಲ್ಲ? D² + 1 S² + 1 ಅದೊಂದು ಏನೋ ಐತಲ್ಲ, ಅದು D × S² + 1
ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್
ಅದನ್ನ ಬರೆಯತ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಒನ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು D × square root of S² + 1, this length, this dimension. So similarly it has got on other side, so we are going to multiply with 2. So this will give this dimension, multiply by its length will give the area of that tree garden. Why I am telling is, they are also doing that problem, they are also considering that is also. Okay, so read the question. Now I think I made it clear with the cross section. Read the data from the question. Prepare a detailed and abstract estimate for the construction of new state highway. ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ಹಳೆ ಹೈವೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೇನ, ಹೊಸದ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಅದರ, for 1 kilometer length. So L is equal to 1000. The formation width 10 meter. That means B is equal to 10 meter. Directly they have given. Now average height of the bank is 1 meter. So that formula is there, no? BD plus SD square, that formula, cross sectional area. In that D you should take how much? Average height of the bank they have given. That means this is nothing but D only. This is nothing but small d with the side slope 2:1. Whether this data is clear for everyone? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
ಹೇಳ್ರಪ್ಪ, ನಂಗೆ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೈತಿ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದು ಹುಡುಗರು ಫೋನ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮನ್ಯಾಗ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಯಾವ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಯಾವ ಅಡ್ಡಾಡಕಂತ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೈತಿ ನಂಗೆ. ಹಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಡ್ರಪ್ಪ.
ಸರ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ
ಹೇಳಿ. ಹಾ, ಎಸ್, ಓಕೆ. ಹಾ, ಓಕೆ, ಒಂದ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್. ಇದು ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗ್ಯದೇನ್ರಿ? ಇದು ಹಾ, ಇದು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಒಳಗ ನಾವು ಡಾಟಾ ಏನೇನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ನೋಡುನಂತ. ಇವ್ರೇನ್ ಹೇಳತ್ತಾರ, ಡಿಟೇಲ್ಡ್ ಎಸ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ ಅಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತಾರ. ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 10 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ 15 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬರ್ತಾವ, ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಯಾವ್ದು ಮಾಡೋಣಂತಾರ? ನ್ಯೂ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಹೈವೇ ಕೇಳತ್ತಾರ, ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋಣಂತೆ. ಫಾರ್ 1 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ L is equal to 1 kilometer or 1000 meters. ಆಮೇಲೆ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅರ್ತ್ ವರ್ಕ್, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋಡಿಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ ಡಾಟಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ಅವ್ರ? ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ವಿಡ್ತ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ? 10 meter. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಬಿ. 10 meter. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಆ ಅರ್ತ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಕ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಡಿ ಬೇಕ. ಆ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಡಿ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ಅವ್ರ? ಎವರೇಜ್ ಹೈಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ average height of that bank, that is small d. How much they have given? 1 meter. 1 meter ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ಅವ್ರು, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ 1 meter ವಿತ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ 2:1. ಅಂದ್ರೆ S is equal to 2 ಅಂತ ಆಯ್ತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಒಳಗ್ ಮೆಟಲಿಂಗ್ ಎಷ್ಟದಪ್ಪ? ದ ಮೆಟಲ್ಡ್ ವಿಡ್ತ್ ಆಫ್ ರೋಡ್ ಇಸ್ 3.7. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟ ನಾವು ಅಸ್ಫಾಲ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೇವಿ, ಟಾರ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೇವಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಅದು ಆಮೇಲೆ 3 coats ಆಫ್ ಮೆಟಲಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡೆಡ್. 3 coats of metaling ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಯಾರ, ನೋಡುನಂತೆ ಅದು ಏನೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ತಗೋನಂತೆ. The surface shall be finished with 2 coats of painting. 2 coats of painting. ಪೇಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತದ, ಗ್ರಿಟ್ ಅದ ಸ್ಟೋನ್ ಪೌಡರ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪೇಂಟ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ, ಟಾರ್ ಪೇಂಟ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಕೋಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೇಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಒಳಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಟೋನ್ ಗ್ರಿಟ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಪೇಂಟ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ಅದನ್ನ ಅಸಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕನ್ನೋದು ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ. ಇಷ್ಟು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಒಳಗಿಂದ ಡಾಟಾ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗ?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಈಗ ಟೇಬಲಿಗೆ ಬರೋದು, ಹೆಂಗ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಹೇಳುತ್ತದ ಇದು ಬರೋದು ಅರ್ಥವರ್ಕ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ನಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ದೊಳಗ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಗೊತ್ತೈತೆ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ? ಅರ್ಥವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ? ಎಸ್. ಈಗ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗ ಲೆಂತ್ ನಮಗೆ 1000 ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ದದ. ಎಸ್. ಎವರೇಜ್ ಡೆಪ್ತ್ ಅಂತ ಈಗಾರ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅವರ 1 ಮೀಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಎಲ್ಲೋತದ, ಇದು 1 ಮೀಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಎವರೇಜ್ ಡೆಪ್ತ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ವಿಡ್ತ್ 10 ಮೀಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ, ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ವಿಡ್ತ್ 10 ಮೀಟರ್. ಸೊ ಬಿ ಡಿ ಎಲ್ ಆತ್. ಎಸ್ ಏನಾರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ? ಎಸ್, ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಎಸ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರ? ಎಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಗಿವನ್ 2:1. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಎಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 2. S is equal to 2. So that is also given, S is equal to 2. Simply substitute in this formula, you will get the earthwork quantity. You will get the earthwork quantity. Yes or no? 12,000 cubic meter. Simply get the earthwork quantity. Okay. Now that plantation of grass, this plantation of grass on this area, what is this area? This and this multiplying its length, multiplying the length. ನಮಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಗೊತ್ತದ, ಏನ್ ಗೊತ್ತದ? 1 ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಡಿ ಇಂಟು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಎಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1, ಹಂಗ 2 ಅದಾವ, 1 and 2 ಇಂಟು ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಲೆಂತ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೈ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ರಿಟನ್ 2 ಇಂಟು ಡಿ ಇಂಟು ಎಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1. ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸ್ಲೋಪಿಂಗ್ ಲೆಂತ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸ್ಲೋಪಿಂಗ್ ಲೆಂತ್. ಡಿ ಅಂಕಿ 1 ಅದ, ಎಸ್ ಅಂಕಿ 2 ಅದ. ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಇಂಟು 2 ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ನಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತ? 4.47. 4.47 ಯಾವ್ದದು? ಓನ್ಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ದಿಸ್? ವಿಚ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಪಿಕ್? 4.47 is only this width ಅಥವಾ this plus this dimension? Can anyone tell me? ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದ್ರು? ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಅದಿರೋ ಇಲ್ಲೋ? ಅದಿರೇನಪ್ಪ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಹಾ, ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಎಸ್ ಎಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಭಿಷೇಕ ನೀವು ಒಬ್ಬನ ಹೇಳ. ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಸುಮ್ ಕುಂತಿರಲ್ಲೋ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್, ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಹೇಳ್ರಪ್ಪ. ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಸಂಜು, ಸಂಕೇತ್, ಶ್ರೀನಾರಾಯಣ, ಶ್ರೇಯಾ, ಇಷ್ಟು ನಾಷ್ಟಾ ಗಿಷ್ಟ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಇಲ್ಲೋ ಮರ? ಹಂಗ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೀರಿ? ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ನೋ ಸರ್, ಹಂಗ ಹಿಂಗಂತ ಹೇಳ್ರಪ್ಪ. ಈಗ ಇದ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಇದು 1 ಸೈಡ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಅಥವಾ 2 ಸೈಡ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಅಪ್ಪ? ಇದು 4.47. ಅಪ್ಟೇಕರ್
ಸರ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಹೇಳಿ. ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಲೆಂತ್ ಏನದಲ್ಲ, ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಂತ? ಒಂದ್ರದ್ದು ಲೆಂತ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ? ಡಿ ಇಂಟು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1. ಇದಂಕಿ ರೋಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಸೇವ್ ನಾವು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಒಟ್ಟು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ ಈ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಈಗ ಡಿ ಅಂಕಿ ನಮ್ಗ 1 ಮೀಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ದೊಳಗೆ. ಎಸ್ ಅಂಕಿನೂ 2 ಮೀಟರ್ 2:1 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. 2 ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಾರ ನಮ್ಗೆ. ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕ, ಅವಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇದು ಸಿಗ್ತದ. ಹಂಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದ್ ಐತಲ್ಲ ಸೇಮ್ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ ಇಂಟು 2 ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ನಮ್ಗ 4.47 ಬರತೈತಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಆ 4.47 ಈಸ್ 1 ಸೈಡ್. ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಂಕಿ ಲೆಂತ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕ. ಫುಲ್ ರೋಡ್ ಗುಂಟ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ನಾವು, ಟ್ರೀ ಮತ್ತು ಗಾರ್ಡನ್. ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ? ಇದು ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಫುಲ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಅದ ಫುಲ್ ಲೆಂತ್ 3 ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಣ್ತೈತಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು? ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ? ಸೈಡಿನ ಉಷ್ಟು. ಹೌದಿಲ್ಪ? ಅರ್ಥ ಆತೋ ಇಲ್ಲೋ ಶ್ರೀನಾರಾಯಣ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್, ಎಸ್.
ಹಾ ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಲೆಂತ್ ನಾವು 1000 ತಗೋಬೇಕಾ, ಇದು 4.47 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೀಟರ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು ನಮ್ಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್.
Yes, sir.
ಓಕೆ
Yes, sir.
ಓಕೆ, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್.
ಸರ್.
ಈಗ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ದೊಳಗೆ 3 ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ ನಮ್ಗೀಗ ಸಬ್ಗ್ರೇಡ್ದೊಳಗೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ಒಂದು ಇದು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇಂಟರ್ಮೀಡಿಯೇಟ್, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 3ನೇದು 4. ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ?
Yes, sir.
ವೆರಿ
Yes,
ಗುಡ್.
sir.
ಈಗ ಒಂದೊಂದ್ರದ್ದು ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಅವ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ದಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾನಪ್ಪ ಹೊಲ್ಶಾಟ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಐಟಮ್ ತಾನ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ. ನಾವು ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಬ್ಗ್ರೇಡ್ ಅಂತ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನವ, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಸಬ್ಗ್ರೇಡ್ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಅದಾವ, ಸಬ್ಗ್ರೇಡ್ ಅದಾವ. ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ತಗೊಂಡು ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಶಾಣೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚಂದ ಹೇಳ ನೋಡಿ, ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡಕ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೀಟರ್ದಾಗ ತಗೊಂಡ ನಾವು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ಸಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ವರ್ಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ವಿಡ್ತ್ equal to 4 meter. That width equal to 4 meter and length equal to 1000 meter. So that much I am preparing for next items to come. So that item he has taken it as a preparation of subgrade, which is actually not required for the calculation. Why? It is given in square meter. Is that okay? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now, this is bottommost item, soling. Here also material, labor, material and consolidation. Are you understanding? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Material will come, consolidation will come. For the intermediate item also material supply and consolidation, laying and consolidation. For this item also material and consolidation. That is the top quote. This is the top quote. Yes or no? Okay. For bottommost item I am telling soling quote. What is the number 1? Correct? What is the length? 1000. Okay na? What is the width? Whether it is 3.7 plus 0.15 plus 0.15. How much?
4 meters, sir.
4 meter.
4 meter. Yeah.
4 meter. And last one, thickness you should take. Whether you should take 8 centimeter or 15 centimeter. Compacted or uncompacted you should take for quantity.
Compacted, sir.
Uncompacted.
Uncompacted ತಗೊಂತಾರೆ. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನಾ 8 ಸಲ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನು, ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಅನ್ಕಾಂಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ತಗೊಂತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಟೇಕ್ 0.15. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದಪ್ಪ ಆನ್ಸರ್? 600 cubic meter of that bottommost item. Correct? 600 cubic meter of that bottommost item. See here, 600. Why 2 times? One is supply, another is laying and consolidation. So that is what 2 items they have given. Next, intermediate item. Which is that item? This item. Number is 1, length is 1000, width is 3.7. Okay, and the thickness, how much you should take?
0.1.
Huh?
0.12, sir.
How much you should take, Srinarayana?
0.12, sir.
Very good. So 0.12 you should take that intermediate item. 1000 into 3.7, 0.12. How much it is coming?
444.
444 for material as plus 444 for laying and consolidation. Third item, same thing, no? Width is also same for the next item. Thickness is also same. Correct? 12 only ಕೊಟ್ಟರ ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? ಹೌದಲ್ರಿ? 12 ಕೊಟ್ಟರದಲ್ಲ ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾ ಈಸಿ ಹೇಳತ್ತೇನೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಲೆಂತ್ ಎಷ್ಟದಪ್ಪ? 1000 ಅದ. ವಿಡ್ತ್ ಎಷ್ಟದಪ್ಪ? 3.7 ಅದ. ಥಿಕ್ನೆಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟದಪ್ಪ? 12 centimeter ಲೂಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಯಾರ. 12 centimeter ಲೂಸ್. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತಿದೆ?
444.
Same thing. Okay na? 444. Why 444? 2 times. One is for supply, another is for laying and consolidation. Now try to understand, in the given question they are asking us to do the 2 coats of painting. Whatever 3 coats they are telling, no, we have just now calculated. These are the 3 coats or 3 layers. Okay na? 3 layers of metal. 3 coats of metal. Metal means aggregate or gravel. Now 2 coats of painting. Painting in this case is nothing but tar plus asphalt. Tar plus asphalt. Okay, na? So for first coating, there are distributed items. What are the items? Using road tar, first coat. Second coat, what you should take? Bitumen. Second coat, you should take bitumen. Like that, they have done 2 coats. Okay, na? In the first coat, materials are 2. One is stone grit, another is binding tar. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನಾ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳತ್ತೀನಿ? ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗತೈತೆ?
Yes, sir.
ಈ 1ನೇ ಕೋಟ್ ಏನದಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಡಾಂಬರ್ ಅದ, ಡಾಂಬರ್ ಅದ. 2ನೇ ಕೋಟು ಡಾಂಬರ್ ಅದ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 2 ಕೋಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಯಾರ. ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅವ್ರೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ದೊಳಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ, ತಾವ ಅಸಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಇಫ್ ದೇ ಗಿವ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? See here, in first coat, 2 materials are used. One is a stone grit, small powder of stone. Another is paint itself they have given. Now, how to calculate the volume? They themselves assumed that this much material per square meter they are going to use. So what is the length? 1000. What is the width of painting? 3.7. And what is the thickness? So this rate they are given now, 1.35 into 100. That is about stone grit. Paint, how much paint it should consume? They also assumed 220 kg. 220 kg they also assumed, like that they have given 220 kg per 100 square meter. So 220 divided by 100. If they have given, we should use those things. So all the 3 things multiplying, you will get this much kg of paint. This is about material. This is about laying. For laying, directly square meter rates they have taken. 1000 into 3.7. Directly they have taken. All this is only one item only. First coat of item. Is that okay for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Everyone. Teju, Swati, Varsha.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
First,
Yes, sir.
very good. For second coat, again stone grit they are using, again bitumen they are using. Why? In the problem they asked us to calculate 2 coats. 2 coats they are asked us to calculate. So first coat, second coat. In the second coat also 2 types of materials are used: stone grit, paint. But here that rate of consumption they have changed. If they have used the same consumption, then you should here only multiplied by 2. Here only what you should do? This is multiplied
Into 2,
by
sir.
2. Into 2. But their consumption rates here is changing, in that also changing. Paint is consumption is changing, here is also changing, but the calculation is same. So second coat they are using less material, correct? They are using less material, so that is why 0.75 by 100. Here paint is also using less, 120 by 100. Remaining dimension everything is same only. Okay na? So that much is the material. This is labor rates. Labor, how to calculate? It is calculated in square meter, 1000 into 3.7. So last item, what is that? Brick edge on both sides. So here also brick edge will come, here also brick edge will come on both sides. So that has to be 2000. They have done mistake. They have to do this one multiplied by 2 in terms of running meter. What is this? This is the abstract of estimate. All the items, whatever we have calculated now, we are listing it, and the corresponding rates we should write, and the multiplication. Is that okay for everyone? This problem?
Yes, sir.
Is that okay
Yes, sir.
for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Weights ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರಲ್ಲ ಸರ್?
ರೇಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲೋ, ಅವ್ರ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಇದ್ರಾಗ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವರು ಕ್ವಶನ್ದಾಗ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ.
ಸರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ದಾಗ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಸರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ?
ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೋ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ದಾಗ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರ, ನಾ ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
Okay.
ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಫುಲ್ ಡಾಟಾ ಆರ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಫುಲ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್, ಎರಡ್ರಾಗ ಒಂದು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರ.
ಓಕೆ.
ಓಕೆ. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಗೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗಿವನ್ ದ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಟೇಕ್ ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? The thickness of the metal crust of an existing macadam 15 centimeter. The surface has become partly patched. It is proposed to modernize the road by providing one layer. So it is almost half data only. Everything they have assumed here. Everything they have assumed. Okay na? Yes or no?
Yes sir.
Okay. So they have given 1 kilometer length. Width of that road is 4 meter. Width of that road is 4 meter. And they have not at all given the thickness. Directly they are assuming something. Okay. So after consolidation, they have assumed 7.5. But to calculate the quantity, they have taken 10 centimeter. They have taken 10 centimeter. So that is why 1000 into 4 into 0.1. 1000 into 4 into 0.1. This is material, this is labor. This is material and this is labor. Okay. Similarly, they have done it for painting. First coat, in the first coat, what they are used? Stone grit plus paint. Stone grit plus paint. Same type of problem, that's all. Okay. Is that okay?
Yes sir.
Everyone, same type of problem. How they are going to do the painting? Their painting consumption is 1.35 cubic meter per square meter of stone grit. For damper and all, 120 kg per 1000 square meter, for 100 square meter. Okay, so that is why 120 by 100, 1.35 by 100. Remaining there, what is there? Length is known, width is known. So multiplying these things, you will get stone grit. Multiplying these things, you will get paint. So this is about paint quantity. This is about stone grit quantity. Last one is the labor quantity. What is that labor quantity? Laying. So laying, you should not take in cubic meter. You should take in a surface area. So that is why 1000 into 4. That is why 1000 into 4, 4000 square meter. This is first coat. For the second coat, what they are doing? They are reducing the quantity here. They are reducing the quantity. Is that okay? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So for the second
Yes,
time,
sir.
instead of 1.35, they are used a 0.75. So in this way, it will come 0.75 by 100. It will come. And for the second case, they are using same 120 kg per meter cube only they are using. So this will come out to be same only. This will come out to be same. If you see that table, you will understand it. Correct? Huh? So they have used less material in stone grit for second coat, but paint they have used the same. So 2 coats, 2 times metal. Is that okay? Problem was not at all difficult. Same type of problem.
Yes sir.
Yes sir. No sir. Yes sir.
Yes sir.
This type of problem may come. This type of, because they have not given cross section. They have not given cross section, but they have given all the data. This type of problem may come. They have given all the data now. Okay. Slowly see here. 2-laned track. Okay. Tar road. 265 kilometer length. How much is the length? 265 kilometer. Matlab 265 into 1000. Formation width they have taken 18. Okay. Average height 1.2. Side slope. Metalled width on either side 4 meter on each lane. Means the 2 times it will come like this and 1 like this. This will come like this. Yes or no? This is a camber like this. 1 second. One metal rod. In between there may be some medians. There may be some medians. Again like this, another camber. So here this total like this. Total like this. This is 18 meter. 18 meter. And formation width 4 meter. 4 meter for on either side. Is that okay for everyone? Yes or no?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Okay. Now we will solve the data here one by one. Okay, just to try to understand this one. Huh? What are the items? Soling coat they have given, intercoat they have given, top coat they have given. This is granite sidewalls they have given. Finishing also they have given. Surface finishing is done in 2 coat, that is also given. Now I will draw the cross section how to do that one. First to calculate the earthwork. I will just consider one big like this one. Okay na? So total width they have given how much? 18, correct? Yes or no? Yes or no? Parallel you should tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
B is 18. And average height. What is this average height? D.
1.2.
1.2. Okay na? What is the side slope? Yes.
2.
2. Okay na? What is length?
265 into 1000.
No. 285 ಮತ್ತು
280.
285 and 265.
265, sir.
265 and 30. Use this formula. Substitute. Simple, no? Yes or no? All the data is there, no? B is there, small d is there, S is there, and L is there. So you substitute, you will get this much quantity. Everyone should give me the response, whether it is there, yes or no, whether have you understood or
sir.
not. All people,
Yes, sir.
all people,
Yes, sir.
everyone has understood. Okay. Okay. Yes, sir. Now, in the cross section, I will again draw one more thing like this. Okay. Now, try to concentrate here. So, if this is a 2-lane road like this, 2-lane roads, okay na? Formation width is 18. Total they have given. Okay na? But see here, soling coat total they have given 9.8. Are you understanding this point? Yes or no? ಈಗ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ದೊಳಗೆ 3 ಲೇಯರ್ ಇರ್ತಾವಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ. ಸೋಲಿಂಗ್ ಲೇಯರ್ ಇರ್ತದ, ಇಂಟರ್ಮೀಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಲೇಯರ್ ಇರ್ತದ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದ್ರೊಳಗ ಟಾಪ್ ಲೇಯರ್ ಇರ್ತದ. ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ?
Yes, sir.
ಈ 3 ಲೇಯರ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮೇಲೆ 2 ಕೋಟ್ ಪೇಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಬರ್ತದ. ಪೇಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಆಸ್ಫಾಲ್ಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಟಾರ್, ಇವು 2 ಕೋಟ್ ಪೇಂಟಿಂಗ್. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 3 ಕೋಟ್ ಅಥವಾ 3 ಲೇಯರ್ ಸೋಲಿಂಗ್, ಇಂಟರ್ಮೀಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಟಾಪ್, 3 ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾವ ಮೆಟಲ್. ಈಗ ಬಾಟಮ್ ಈ ಎಲ್ಲಕ್ಕಿಂತ ತೆಳಗಿನ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ನಮ್ಗೆ? ಟೋಟಲ್ ವಿಡ್ತ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಸೋಲಿಂಗ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್? 9.8. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ?
Yes, sir.
ಹಾ. ಲೆಂತ್ ಹೈಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ?
200 mm.
200 mm ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. ಲೆಂತ್ ಎಷ್ಟೈತಪ್ಪ ಟೋಟಲ್ ರೋಡ್ದ?
265,000 kilometer.
ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ ಅವರು. 265,000 into 9.8 into 0.2. That is given in the question, no? Soling coat, which is at bottom most layer. Is that okay for everyone? For everyone. Okay. So this quantity is coming, no? That quantity is for material and again for labor. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್, ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಇಂಟರ್ ಕೋಟ್ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ. ಇಂಟರ್ ಕೋಟ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ ನೋಡೋರು? 9.8 ಅದ್ರ ತರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರ. ಅದ್ರ ಬದ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ ಅವರು? 1 4 ಮೀಟರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಚ್, ಈ ಕೇಂಬರ್ ತೆಳಗ್ 1 4 ಮೀಟರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಚ್, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 4 ಮೀಟರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಚ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ? ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 4 ಮೀಟರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಚ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ 4 ಮೀಟರ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು? ಈಗ ಬಾಟಮ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಲೇಯರ್ 9.8 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರ ಅವ್ರ. ಬಟ್ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ 4 ಮೀಟರ್ದು ಒಂದು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 4 ಮೀಟರ್ದು ಒಂದು, ಇದು ಇಂಟರ್ಮೀಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಲೇಯರ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಈಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
Yes, sir.
ಹಾ. ಈಗ ಒಂದರದು ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟದ? ವಿಡ್ತ್ ಎಷ್ಟದ? ಇಂಟರ್ ಕೋಟ್ ಇದು ನೋಡ್ರಿ. 4. ಇದು 4. ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಬೈ 2 into ಲೆಂತ್ ಎಷ್ಟದಪ್ಪ ರೋಡ್ದ?
265,000.
265,000 ಓಕೆನಾ 265,000 ಆಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದ್ರದ್ದು ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಎಷ್ಟದಪ್ಪ 4 ಅದ 4 ಥಿಕ್ನೆಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ
200 mm. 0.2.
ಥಿಕ್ನೆಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಕೋಟ್
0.15.
0.15 ಇಷ್ಟ 2 into 265,000 into 4 into 0.1 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ 2 ಬಂದದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ಆಗಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಒಂದ ಬಂದಿತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದ 9.8 ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ 4 ತಗೊಂಡಾರ ಹೌದಾ ಥಿಕ್ನೆಸ್ ಅಂಕಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ 0.15 ಸೊ ಲೆಂತ್ ಅಂಕಿ ಗೊತ್ತದ ಇವು 4 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ you'll get this answer. So one is for material, another is for laying and consolidation. Is this step clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
For
Yes, sir.
everyone I am asking. Now,
Yes,
okay.
sir.
Very good. And
Yes, sir.
again there is a top coat because we have three layers, no? 3 layers as a metal, no? Again as a top coat. So in each lane 4 meter wide. 4 meter wide ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು 4 meter ಬರ್ತದೆ ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 4 meter ಬರ್ತದೆ ನಡುಕ್ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಅದ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ 2 lane road ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ ಈ 4 meter ಈ 4 meter ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ 4 meter ಥಿಕ್ನೆಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಅದ ಹೌದಾ
Yes, sir.
ಹಾ ಈ ಲೇಯರ್ ವಿಡ್ತ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಅದ ಥಿಕ್ನೆಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಅದ ಲೆಂತ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಅದ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಅದ ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಟಾಪ್ ಲೇಯರ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಟಾಪ್ ಕೋಟ್ quantity will come to be same because dimensions are same as this one only. Dimensions of road as same this one only. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now come to this painting. Painting where you want to do painting surface painting. Here also you want to do. Here also you want to do painting na first coat, and here also you want to do the first coat. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ಫುಲ್ ಮಾಡಕತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಇಷ್ಟ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೇ ನಮ್ದವ್ರು ಗಾಡಿ ಅಡ್ಡಾಡ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲೆಷ್ಟ ಮಾಡಕತ್ತೇವ್ ನಾವು ಓಕೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 2 lane ರೋಡ್ ಅಂತಾರ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಡಕ ಮೀಡಿಯನ್ ಅಂತಾರ ಕರ್ವ್ ಸ್ಟೋನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ ಬ್ಯಾರಿಕೇಡ್ಸ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಇರ್ತದ ಓಕೆ ಈ ಪೇಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಕ ನಮ್ಗ 2 ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಹೌದು ಅಲ್ರಿಪ್ಪ ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ನನ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಾಕ 2 ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಹೋಗ್ತದ ಒಂದು ಕೋಟ್ ಮಾಡಾಕ ನಮ್ಗ 2 ಕೋಟ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕೋಟ್ಗೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಪ್ಪ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೋನ್ ಗ್ರಿಡ್ ತಗೊಂತಾರ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪೇಂಟ್ ತಗೊಂತಾರ ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ
Yes, sir.
ಹಾ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಈ ಸ್ಟೋನ್ ಗ್ರಿಡ್ ಕನ್ಸಂಪ್ಷನ್ ರೇಟ್ ಪೇಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಕನ್ಸಂಪ್ಷನ್ ರೇಟ್ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗ ಎಷ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅದಾವಪ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದದ ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 2 ನಂಬರ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಎಷ್ಟದ 265 ಅದ ಅದು 265 ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ ವಿಡ್ತ್ ಎಷ್ಟದಪ್ಪ ವಿಡ್ತ್ 4 ಮೀಟರ್ ಅದ ಎರಡರದ್ದು ಓಕೆನಾ consumption rate 1.35 by 100 that is the thickness 220 by 100 that will be the thickness this is the stone grid this is paint so these two when you combine you should not combine it is a material component again for laying you should take only length and width 2 lanes 1 length 1 width this much will be your labor component is that okay
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
for everyone is this okay
Yes, sir.
yes sir very good so same type for second code but only second code using less consumption only they are using less consumption okay na yes or no so
Yes,
they are using 0.75 they are using 120 they have not given in the question try to understand they have not given in the question okay so last one is using the curb stone ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ರೋಡ್ ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಡಕ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರಿಲ್ಲ ಕರ್ವ್ ಸ್ಟೋನ್ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಕರ್ವ್ ಇಡ್ತಾರಿಲ್ಲ ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ
Yes, sir.
ಕರ್ವ್ಸ್ ಇಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಕರ್ವ್ ಸ್ಟೋನ್ಸ್ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಓಕೆನಾ ಸೊ ಕರ್ವ್ ಸ್ಟೋನ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಜನರಲಿ ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ವೈಸ್ ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ವಾಲ್ಸ್ 15 by 60 2 into that much length simple in running meter they are doing 2 times 2 into 265,000 okay
Yes, sir.
everyone please give the response
Yes, sir.
everyone
Sir.
okay now dimension sketch. This sketch. Okay. So here only one lane, no problem. Only one lane. Only one lane. Okay. what they have given in the question? A road crust of 7.2 meter wide means capital B is 7.2 between the edge. Okay. Prepare the estimate to construct 2.5 kilometer road. That means 2,500. Calculate the quantity. 2 layers of brick flat. That means this 2 layers. One layer, second layer. Okay. One layer, second layer. Okay. Na? Okay. 2 layers of brick flat. 100 mm thick consolidated overburnt brick metal with 75 mm thick consolidated stone. That means only one item you should not consider. This is what? 100 mm. 100 mm. Yes or no?
Sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
100 mm and this is your 75 mm. This is your 75 mm. Okay, now two material. One is brick metal. That this is brick metal. This is consolidated stone. This is consolidated stone. Okay, now on the top you have bitumen coating 25 mm thick. That is okay. On this top 25 mm thick bitumen coating. This 25 mm thick bitumen coating. Okay, and on the sides you have edge. On the sides you have bricks like this. On the sides you have bricks like this. Question is clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Question is clear?
Yes,
Okay, so total excavation you can do, no? Total excavation. This, that item they call it as, that item they are calling it as burnt. This total box is there, no? This total box that they are taking it in a square meter. That they are taking it in a square meter. Box cutting. Simple. Total length into total width. Total length into total width. Width is how much? This 7.2. This plus 0.1. This plus 0.1. How much it is coming? 7.4. So that much square meter is box cutting. This item is not important. The calculation of items are, which are important are this material, this material, this material, and bottom, all those things are important. Okay, na? Next, edging. Edging means this and this. This edging, this edging. So just take it in running meter. Here 250 kilometer, here 250 kilometer. 250 or 2.5? 2.5 kilometer. If you read the question, you will understand. Here it is 2.5 kilometer. It is 2.5 kilometer. Okay, na? So that edging is generally taken in running meter. 2 into 2005. Okay. Base course, very simple. Base course, very simple. What are the base course material they are going to use? This one, no? This one. Correct? What is the width for this item? Bottom bricks. Bottom bricks. Bottom bricks.
7.4, sir.
7.4 into its length, because the thickness is not given in the cross section. So you can place that item in square meter. So what is that? Supply and laying of bricks. Supply and laying of bricks. This item. This item. Okay, na? So you are placing it in square meter. Length into width. Length into width. Now come to this bottom layer. This bottom layer. What is this bottom layer? Brick flats. These are called as brick flats. What is the width you should take here?
7.2.
7.2. What length you should take?
2500.
2500. Correct. What thickness you should take? What thickness you should take?
100 mm, sir.
100 mm. 100 mm consolidated. They are telling that it is a consolidated. So there might be some additional 50%. Additional 50%. Okay? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So that is why 10 centimeter is consolidated. So you take additional 15 centimeter. Simple. So length, width, thickness. So this is for material. This is for labor supply. Same. This is for material and this is for labor supply. Labor supply. Okay. Okay. Next layer, this layer. Same, no? Length is same, width is same, but only thickness will change. What is the thickness here? They have given 75, but you should take some little bit extra 50%. How much it is going to come? They have given
0.112.
they have given 75 extra 50%. How much? 112. So that is why 0.112. 0.112. Okay. Is this
Yes, sir.
step clear? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. The last one, wearing coat. What is there in the wearing coat? Surface area into its thickness. This they have not given in the question. They have assumed something. Yes or no? ಹೌದಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ. ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗಲಿಗತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೋನ್ ಗ್ರಿಟ್, ಒಂದು ಪೇಂಟ್. ಸ್ಟೋನ್ ಗ್ರಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಒಂದು ಪೇಂಟ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಕನ್ಸಂಪ್ಷನ್ 280 ಅದ. ಸೊ 280/100. ಇದ್ರದ್ದು 3.38 ಅದ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 3.38 ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಮುಗೀತು, ಮತ್ತೇನು ಇಲ್ಲ. ಎಸ್ ಸರ್. ಓಕೆ. So last one is the pre-mixing on the top. So you can just simply add that one. You can just simply add one. Whether this problem is clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
For everyone it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಅದನ್ನ ಸೆಪ್ಟಿಕ್ ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಇದು ಮ್ಯಾನುವಲ್ ಅದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ, ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ?
Sir, I guess left side the ಮಾಡಿವ್ರಿ, right
ಲೆಫ್ಟ್
side
ಸೈಡ್
ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ, ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಹೌದಾ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ? ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ತಿಳಿದಾವೋ ಇಲ್ಲ? ಎಸ್ ಸರ್ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ನೂರ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ.
Yes, sir.
ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ,
Yes, sir.
ಎಲ್ಲಾರು
ತಿಳಿದಾವ sir.
ಹೇಳ್ರಿ.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
Yes, sir.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್.
Yes, sir.
ತಿಳಿದೈತ್ರಿ ಸರ್.
ಹಾ,
Yes, sir.
ಗುಡ್. ಇದು ಬ್ರಿಕ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಎಸ್ಟಿಮೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತದ ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ನಿಮ್ಗ? ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಈಗ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಶ್ರೀನಾರಾಯಣ
ಹಾ ಸರ್, ಮಾಡ್ರಿ.
ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಇದು ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು ರೆಕ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಹೋಲ್ ಅದ. ಎಲ್ಲಕ್ಕಿಂತ ತೆಳಗಡೆ ಕಾಂಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಇದು ಅದ, ಬೇಸ್ ಅದ, PCC ಅದ. ಸೈಡಿಗೆ ಬ್ರಿಕ್ ವಾಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ಅಥವಾ ಸ್ಟೋನ್ ವಾಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ, ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಎಸ್ ಸರ್. ಈಗ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಸೈಡಿಂದ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು ನಮ್ಗೆ. ಇದು ಒಂದ್ ಸೈಡಿಂದ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್, ಇದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ ಸೈಡಿಂದ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ರೆಕ್ಟಾಂಗಲ್ ಅದ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಬಾಟಮ್ ಬಿಡ್ತ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದಾಗ್ತದ, ಇದು ಬಾಟಮ್ ಬಿಡ್ತ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇದಾಗ್ತದ. ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಹೌದಾ? ಈಗ ಹೈಟ್ ಅಂಕಿ ನಮ್ಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸಿಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ, ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ಒಂದ್ ಹೈಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸಿಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ. ಇದೆಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇದು ಟೋಟಲ್ ದಿಸ್
180.
180 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1.8 180 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1.8. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಅಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿಸ್?
One fifty.
150 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1.5, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. 1.8 ಇಂಟು 1.5 ಇಂಟು ಹೈಟ್. ಹೈಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ.
Three ten.
3.1,
3.2.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ?
ಟೋಟಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ 8.37.
ಹಾ ಅದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಪ್ಪ. ಡೆಪ್ತ್ ಕೇಳತ್ತೇನಾ?
3.1.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 1.8 ಇಂಟು 1.5 ಇಂಟು 3.1, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So 8.37 is the quantity. Next item is flooring concrete. What is that flooring? This one only. So this plan ಒಳಗೆ ಅದು ಸೇಮ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಓಲ್ ಇದು ನಮ್ದು 1.8 ಇಂಟು 1.5. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೇಮ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕವೇಷನ್ ವಿಡ್ತ್ ಏನದ ಅದ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅದಲ್ಲ.
1 point. Yes, sir.
1.8 ಇಂಟು 1.5, ಬಟ್ ಥಿಕ್ನೆಸ್ ಏನದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ?
0.2.
0.2. So that is why they have written 0.2. So this 3 will come into this quantity. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇನ್ ಫ್ಲೋರಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ನಾವು. ಇನ್ ಫ್ಲೋರಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಇದಾವದಲ್ಲ?
Yes, sir.
ಇದಾವದಲ್ಲ?
120 by 90. Yeah.
120 by 0.9 into its thickness. How much they have given inside? 0.4 or 0.35? This is the inside payment.
0.4, sir.
It is like this, no? That is why you should take 0.4 only, but they have taken 0.35 because it is a inclined in center. So they have taken average. Average. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Very
sir.
good. Next item is RCC. No. First class brickwork. Okay, na? This one. So in plan, how it will appear? Like this, no? How the all?
Yes, sir.
In plan. Okay, very good. Now I want to calculate center to center. So inside to inside it is 1.2 and here it is 0.9. Okay, na? Inside to inside 1.2, 0.9. In this direction. Width is how much? Width of the wall is how much? Anywhere it is.
0.23. Sir, ಕೆಳಗೈತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ.
ಕೆಳಗೈತಲ್
ಓಕೆ. ನಾ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಟು ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ನಾ ಅದನ್ನ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ನಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. 1.2
Yes, sir.
plus 0.23
1.43.
plus 0.9
2.33.
plus 0.23
2.56.
plus 1.2
3.76.
plus 0.23
3.99.
plus
9.
plus 0.9
4.89.
plus 0.23 plus 0.23 last
5.12.
5.12.
5.12 is the center to center length. Okay na? Into its width 0.23 into its width 0.23 and into its height 2.2.
2.59.
LBD ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? L is equal to ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿತ್ತಲ್ಪ ನಿಮ್ದು ಆನ್ಸರ್? ಅದ ಇಂಟು ವಿಡ್ತ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ದಾಗ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ 0.23 ಐತಿ. ಡೆಪ್ತ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ 2.2 ಐತಿ. ಡೆಪ್ತ್ 2.2 ಐತಿ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತ?
2.59.
2.59 ನೋಡಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡು.
2.5.
ಹಾಂ ಡೆಪ್ತ್ 2.2 ಅಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 0.4 ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತೆಳಗಿಂದು ಹೋಯ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಬ್ರಿಕ್ ವಾಲ್ ಇದು ಪೈಪ್ ಇದೆ ಪೈಪದ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಡೆಪ್ತ್ 2.6 ತೋರಿ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಡೆಪ್ತ್ 2.6 ತೋರಿ
3.06
ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ ಸೊ 3.06 ಅವರು ಲಾಂಗ್ ವಾಲ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವಾಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ ನಾವು ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಲೈನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ RCC ರೂಫ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಎಷ್ಟೈತಪ್ಪ ಇದು ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬೇಕು ಇಷ್ಟೆಷ್ಟು
120 plus 20.23 1.2
ಸರ್ 1.66
plus 0.23 yes sir 1.66
1.66 ಈಗ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ತಗೋಬೇಕು
ಒನ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ತ್ರೀ ಸಿಕ್ಸ್
1.36 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅಷ್ಟು ಬರತೈತೇನಪ್ಪ
ಹಾಂ ಸರ್
ಇದು 1.66 ಈ ಕಡೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ದಾಗ ಇದು 1.36 ಥಿಕ್ನೆಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ RCC ದ
0.15
0.15 ಇಷ್ಟ ಮತ್ತೇನಿಲ್ಲ 1.66 1.36 0.15 ದಟ್ ಮಚ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬಿಕ್ ಮೀಟರ್ ಓಕೆ
yes sir.
0.33
0.33 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್
0.33 yes
ಈಗ ಸ್ಟೀಲ್ ಬಾರ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ ಅವರು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡುದು ಏನು ಲೆಂತ್ ಗಿಂತ ಏನು ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರು ಶೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಾರ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ ಬರ್ದ್ಬಿಡುದು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರಿತೀರಿ ಎ ಬಾರ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟದಪ್ಪ 4 ಅದಾವ ಒಂದೊಂದ್ರದ್ದು ಲೆಂತ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅದಾವ ಒಂದು ಬರ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡುದು ಬರಿತೀರಿ ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತಿದೆ 1.2 ಎ ಬಾರ್ 4 ಅದಾವ ಸಿ ಬಾರ್ ಎಷ್ಟದ 4 × 13 ಅದ ಡಿ ಬಾರ್ ಎಷ್ಟದ 1 × 580 ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ ಇ ಬಾರ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟದಾವ 1 × 625 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹೌದು ಅಲ್ಲೋ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಾರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ಇಂಟು ಒನ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಾರ ಆ ಬಾರ್ದ ಲೆಂತ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಾರ ಇದು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದ 4 × 1200 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 4 × 1300 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 × 580 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 × 625
ಸರ್ 10,805
10,000
805
ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇನ್ನೊಮ್ಮೆ
sir 11,165 sir
correct 11,165 their answer can you see here that much meter you have to convert it correct correct or not
yes sir
okay very good so that much meter into unit weight you have to consider it as 0.62 that much kg is coming okay so that much kg is coming okay हाँ now next steps कितना है इसके अंदर दिख रहा है क्या 1 2
Six.
3 4 5 6 steps are there yes or no
yes sir
6 or another 4 they have directly taken you should not worry because this is a mistake from the diagram no problem okay so like that you should consider for steps so that much number you should write manual cover kitna hai 1 hai okay plastering so this quantity is important manual you can write it as only directly one number only so plastering how should write inside perimeter into height na? Correct or not
yes sir
inside perimeter 1.2 plus 1.2 plus 0.9 plus 0.9
4.2
4.2 is the inside perimeter and depth is 2 point how much
2.2 sir
2.2 they have taken 2.6
ಸರ್ ತಳಗ್ನು ಐತಿ
ಹಾ
ತಳಗಿನ ಮಟ್ಟ ಐತಿ ಸರ್
ಅದಾದ ಹೋಲ್ ಬಿಡ ಅದೇನು ದೊಡ್ಡ ವಿಷಯ ಏನಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಸೊ 2.6 ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಹೋಲತ್ಲ
11.96
ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ is that okay
yes sir
ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಇನ್ನೂ ಎರಡು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅದಾವ, ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಏನು ಶ್ರೀನಾರಾಯಣ?
ಹಾಕ್ರಿ ಸರ್.
ಸರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ.
ಎಸ್.
ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ನಂಗೆ ರಿಮೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಇದೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟೇನಿ, ಯಾವುದು ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನೀವು ನೆನಪು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ? ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು
ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಿ?
ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಹೋಲ್ದೊಳಗೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ಯಾವ್ದು ಎಸ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ ದ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಇದೊಂದು ಬಿಟ್ಟದ. ಇದೊಂದು ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ದು ಇದನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ವಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಬರೀ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ರೋಡ್ ವರ್ಕ್ದೊಳಗೆ ಒಂದು, ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ? ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 5 ಅಂತ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು, ಎದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು.
ಇದೆ ಸರ್.
ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡೇವಿ. ಇದನ್ನ ಎದಕ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟೇವಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಇವರು ಡಾಟಾ ಹಿಂಗ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಇದನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವ್ರೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಾರ ಅವ್ರು, ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಲಿಂದ ನೀವು ಡಾಟಾ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನೊಂದು ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ ನಾ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೆಪ್ಟಿಕ್ ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಇದೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಎಲ್ಲತ್ತದ
ಮ್ಯಾನುವಲ್ ಸರ್.
ಮ್ಯಾನುವಲ್ ಇದೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಎರಡು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ದು 2ನೇ ಮಾಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ಮುಗಿತದ. Okay, so everyone, in the next class we will start with that 2 problem and we will complete, and after that we will start with the module 3. Everyone, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನಂಗೆ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಪ್ಪ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಯಾವೋ ಇಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್? ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಮ್ಮೊಮ್ಮೆ ಸ್ಲೋ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ.
Yes, sir.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ಅರ್ಥ ಆದ್ರೆ ಭಾಳ ಚಲೋ ಆತ. ಓಕೆ, ರತನ್ ದೀಪ್ ಅದಿಯಲ್ಲೋ
ಸರ್ ಅದೇನು
ತಿಳಿದಾವಿಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್?
ಹಾಂ ಸರ್ ತಿಳಾತು.
अभिषेक आपटेकर जी, नमस्ते जी.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಸರ್.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಆರಾಮದೇನಪ್ಪ?
ಆರಾಮದೇನ್ರಿ ಸರ್, ನೀವು ಸರ್?
ನಾವು ಆರಾಮದೇ. ಪೂಜಾ ಸೂರ್ಯವಂಶಿ. So everyone give your attendance. Please give your attendance, everyone. ಓಕೆ, ಮತ್ತೇನಾರ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಲೀವ್. ಮತ್ತೇನಪ್ಪ ಅಭಿಷೇಕ್, ಆರಾಮದೀವಲ್ಲ? ತೇಜು ಪತ್ತಾರ್, ವಿಜಯ್ ಬೆಳವಿ, ವಿದ್ಯಾಶ್ರೀ, ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟೂಡ್? ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ? यश देवगेकर समझ में आया कि नहीं रे यश?
Sir, yes, sir. Understood, sir.
ಓಕೆ, ಸಂದೇಶ್?
Sir, understood, sir.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ಅವು 2 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅದಾವ, ಅವನ್ನೆರಡು ಮಾಡಿಸಿ 3ನೇ ಮಾಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು.
Yes, sir.
ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಲೀವ್ ದ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್.